In this video, I will show you how to use Napkin AI to create professional sales presentations quickly. I'll start by selecting the option to describe my idea. In the text box, I'm typing a request for a detailed sales presentation outline for a project management tool called SyncFlow, focusing on team productivity, real-time collaboration, and cost efficiency. I'll also make sure to include sections for social proof and a call to action. After I click Next, I'll wait just a few seconds for the AI to generate the full outline. As I scroll down, you can see it has created a structured document with an abstract, an introduction, and clearly defined pillars for the presentation. Now, I want to turn this text into a visual. I'll hover over the first pillar and click the blue lightning bolt icon on the left. This opens up a panel of AI suggestions where I can choose the specific style I want for my graphic. Once I've selected a style, I can browse through different design variations to find the perfect layout. I'll click the visual on the page and select the option to ungroup it so I can move elements freely. Now I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'm going to change the color of the first step to red and update the font style to give it a more customized look. When the design is ready, I'll go to the Share button at the top and select the option to export all visuals. I'm choosing the PowerPoint format and clicking Download. Once the file is ready, I'll open it up in PowerPoint and click Enable Editing. As you can see, the visuals are fully editable shapes and text, making it easy to integrate them into a final deck. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for sales presentations.